X8 installation steps. Remove the tape from the top and side of the box. Open the box, take out the machine, collecting plate, and instruction manual. Open the back cover from the back of the machine, and on the top of the QR code, lightly pull out the foam. Take out the wire frame from it. Push the collecting plate into the machine with the arrow pointing up, and install the wire frame into the card slot. Then close the back cover and the installation is complete. Remove the protector from the power cord plug and plug in to turn on the machine. When the power light on the top turns on, short press the right power button to turn on the machine. The display of the machine turns on for about a minute. Then the display screen shows current air quality. When entering into automatic mode, A indicator light turns on. Short press the power button to switch the wind speed to 300, 500, 600, 700, 800. Continue to short press the power button to switch to sleep mode, and the moonlight lights on. Short press the left control button can control the screen display. Close the air quality indicator bar and reduce brightness. Long press the right power button to turn off the machine.